I was assigned to be our team system manager and was in charge of making sure that all of our mini assignments were accomplished and accomplished well. I really enjoyed getting to know my teammates and having such creative, intelligent people to work with.
During this week, we were given several engineering projects to accomplish. We individually built rockets, designed/built a lander, and dropped it from 2 stories. We also designed/built a rover which completed a mock tour of the surface of Mars.
Our mentor was a mechanical engineer named Sarah Wright. She is a Haas alumni and works with thermal systems. This came in very helpful when researching information for our working environment on Mars. Our co-op is Kristen Nichols, who is an aerospace engineer and working on her PhD, and her knowledge came in very handy when designing our different engineering projects.
At the start of the week, we were told to design a tool with the function of repairing a cooling system on board the space station. We designed ours with a hex key, a wrench to open hex bolts, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver.
We were also tasked with creating a PDR, or Preliminary Design Review, a PowerPoint designed to explain a project. During this PowerPoint, we explained how we would work on Mars, as well as our design for a helmet and glove. Such designs would be essential to a group planning to work on Mars.
Astronauts on the International Space Station are often required to do maintenance on the station during their spacewalk. During these walks, astronauts are coached through the repair process by a Capcom, or capsule communicator. These EVA kits were meant to replicate this by providing groups with a small-scale coaching/repair experience.
Although it's one of the more casual settings of the JSC, the cafeteria is of equal importance. It allows NASA employees to socialize while also collaborating on projects outside of the office.
The Neutral Buoyancy Lab is where astronauts are trained to do spacewalks. While there, we received the unique opportunity of seeing 2 trainees performing a mock spacewalk on the space station replica under the water.
Our team most enjoyed visiting historic mission control and learning about all the missions that were supported there, as well as the impact failed missions had on those who worked there.
One important lesson we learned was the importance of delegating tasks to those who are the best for that specific job. This is important because in a busy situation where there is a lot to do, it is important to make sure that everything gets done and is done well. The best way to do this is to assign tasks, and this skill will continue to be helpful in our future careers.
As Gene Kranz once said, failure is not an option. These infamous words still hold true today, and this was evident in the projects we were given and the hard work we put into them. However, eventually, failure is inevitable, and, as Jerry Woodfield put it, necessary for growth. We also experience this, and will continue to hold true to these 2 ideologies throughout our lives.
So we're up, we're down.